I'll use that. Well, great, but guess what? Now you're spending some of that precious compute on something other than just the thing you're trying to optimize for. And so now that's going to come at a cost of the actual performance of the system. And so if you are going to optimize like the fuck out of making money, you're going to necessarily de-optimize the fuck out of anything else, including being able to even understand what that system is doing. And that's kind of like at the heart of a lot of the kind of big picture AI strategy stuff is people are wondering like, how much interpretability tax am I willing to pay here? And how much does it cost? And everyone's willing to go a little bit further and a little bit further. And so OpenAI actually had a paper where they, or I guess a blog post where they talked about this. And they were like, look, right now we have this essentially this like thought stream that our model produces on the way to generating its final output. And that thought stream, like, we don't want to touch it to make it like interpretable, to make it make sense. Because if we do that, then essentially it'll be optimized to convince us of whatever the thing is that we want it to do, to behave well.
So it's like if you've used like an OpenAI model recently, right? Like O3 or whatever, it's doing its thinking before it starts like outputting the answer. And so that thinking is, yeah, we're supposed to like be able to read that and kind of get it. But also we don't want to make it too legible, because if we make it too legible, it's going to be optimized to be legible and to be convincing rather than
to fool us, basically.